The semi-automatic two-head volumetric piston filling machine is a highly reliable and versatile solution engineered to handle the precise and smooth filling of a wide range of edible and cooking oils, including mustard oil, sunflower oil, groundnut oil, soybean oil, cold-pressed oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, cottonseed oil, rice bran oil, palm oil, olive oil, corn oil, canola oil, and blended vegetable oils. Built with robust design and user-friendly operation, this machine ensures accuracy in every fill, reduces product wastage, and maintains hygiene standards essential for the food industry. Its semi-automatic two-head system allows simultaneous filling of bottles or containers, improving efficiency for medium-scale producers while keeping production costs under control. As a trusted manufacturer from Ahmedabad, India, Shiv Shakti Maktek delivers this machine with quality assurance, durability, and customization options to meet the diverse needs of cooking oil packaging units across different regions.